day I experienced a feeling I never imagined possible.
Whoa, loser, you might not want to read your diary out loud. We can hear you.
But he can't hear you.
Oh, well then, I have always wanted to hear this celeb's juiciest secrets.
Ooh, pence, let me hear.
I felt myself combined with the factor of 4. Becoming a number revealed so much to me. I learned what's really inside the speaker box. It contains... Well, it's getting late. I'll tell you tomorrow, diary.
Wait, hold up. When the floof did loser combine with 4?
Dunno.
But donut...
Donut?
That was the last entry in your diary. Oh man, looks like I gotta find some new reading material. Hi everyone.
Me too, loser. I love you 8 times more than I love winner.
I'm so happy we're all here together in the exit.
Well, I'm not.
How dare you!
No, what I meant is, we should all be together out there.
Huh?
Bracelety, what I'm trying to say is we should try to escape from the exit. We're strong enough.
Lai is right. Whatever we set our minds to, we can accomplish.
Yeah!
What a brilliant idea, Lai. I'll collect the fridge, the traffic cone, the batteries, the flare gun, and the moldy English cream cake to stack our way up to 4's mouth.
What an oddly specific plan, but go for it.
Hey, 4! Can you recover all the dead, whoa, you're looking a little pudgy?
Pudgy? You think this is pudgy?
Oh dear.
Team Ice Cubo, you lost last time, so the voters decided to vote one of you off. We got 39,850 votes. Barfbag and Bommy are safe, so they get specks of dust. So who's gonna leave?
I hope it wasn't me. I know I let my team down.
90, be quiet! But you're safe too. Ow. Ow.
How's the stacking going?
I don't know, man. Whoops. Whoa.
You know, Stapy, maybe you're, just too, fat-like.
Yeah, Matchy is right. Oh, loser, you're smaller, you climb.
Yeah!
Loser, take these. Huh, huh, huh.
Go loser, go loser, go loser, go loser.
I can see 4's mouth now. That's our escape.
OMG! Soon I'm gonna get to escape and see the outside world and see Ice Cube! OMG!
Whoa, Braceletto, take a, chill pill. You gotta stop it with the, hyperventilation station.
But Match, if you escape, you can check out Chloe's new fashion line, Super Slip Shoes So Blah!
Guys, I can't quite reach 4's mouth. Can you toss me some more stuff?
Uh-oh. There's nothing left to throw. Pencil, Match, you guys are the tallest. Climb the tower and boost Loser up.
But what about my, break time?
Do it, or the 2 of you are demoted to Bember.
Sure thing! Donna, Gelatin, and Spongy, the one of you who got the most votes will go bye-bye, leaving your team with 5 left.
Whatever.
Don't whatever me!
Gelatin, be a bit more polite.
Whatever.
Anyway, Gelatin's safe, but his sassy attitude means he's not getting a speck of dust. Also, Donut is safe.
Whatever.
But that means I'm out.
Whatever.
I'm sorry for letting you all down. I didn't mean it. I was just feeling lonely.
Spongy, you got a record 22,845 votes, so you're out! Whoa!
Still not high enough.
Don't worry, guys. Lai and I are coming too.
What's that?
Gross! I think Spongy just got eliminated.
Guys, we ought to climb through Spongy. He's connected to the outside world.
Are you serious? That's like beyond disgusting.
Yeah, no can do, switcheroo.
Guys, face it. 4's mouth is just too high. Spongy is our last chance.
That's it, I'm bailing.
Me too.
Whoa. Whoa, guys. Spongy's holes are stretchy. We can climb through.
Whoa! Fiery Jr., you might not want to climb through here. Spongy's kind of flammable.
What? Aw, man.
Oh, my snowstorm! 4's actually struggling to do something! This I gotta see!
Spongy's the largest contestant to be eliminated by 7 times.
Good to know.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Something's happening.
What's going on? I'm scared.
Nice to see you all again. I miss.
These creatures of filth have escaped the exit!
I am next level mad.
Ah! Save me, Icy! Help!
Guys, we gotta stand up for our fellow contestants.
Help me, Foldy!
Oh no!
I'm retreating! Oh no! Retreating!
No! Oh, sheets of paper. No! How could I have let this happen?
Hello, Fiery Jr. I apologize for not granting you permission earlier to climb through Spongy. I now realize my folly and hereby grant you your long overdue permission.
Oh, awesome.
What's wrong, Spongy? How could you possibly be in pain right now?
I'm really hot.
Whoa, Spongy, I'm glad your self-esteem has gone up.
Sorry for physically harming you, Spongy.
Ouchie!
4? Here's a juice box to make you feel better. 4?
You two demons need to go back to the exit!
We gotta run. Yeah. Oh no. Uh-oh. Yikes. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. Yikes.
Slatch.
I don't wanna be eliminated.
Finally.
You still want a juice box, 4?
It's time for your next challenge! Your challenge is to grow grass with your team's respective teapot. The teams that grow a grass first will win, and the last 2 will be up for elimination.
What? 2 eliminations? Since when did we do that?
It's a punishment, because you guys were trying to help the eliminated contestants escape. Anyways, go!
4? I think you forgot to give us some water.
Oh yeah, you guys have to find water by yourself to grow the grass.
Isn't it a little too late to say that, you blue nasty?
Alright team, what are we doing for this challenge?
Well, we have to find a water source, and because of the lava, we need to cover more ground.
And what do we do?
Well, we can split into 2 groups. The first group rides the ball, and the other ride back.
Excuse me? I never agreed to this. A racer's gonna climb my string.
How about if me, Fries, Yellowface, and the racer search an area, and you, Marker, and Foley search another?
Not a bad idea, Puffy.
Jeez, a lot happened while we were inside 4. A lot of people died.
I think to make up for it, we just make sure no one is hurt this time around.
What? That will just make us lose.
Remote. Our team is about preventing death, not winning.
What do we do, Balloony? I don't want to be up for elimination again.
Well, we could just make Cloudy cry into the teapot.
How do we do that?
Cloudy really loves his collection. I think destroying it can make him cry.
I don't know, Balloony. That sounds like we're going too far.
I know, but would you rather lose again?
I guess not. What do you need Rocky for?
Acid.
Doesn't he need to eat someone before he's able to vomit acid?
Nice job, little one. Now we just gotta get Cloudy to notice. Oh, rubber.
Better neighbors to grow the grass. We must. What on earth are you nincompoops doing?
Duh, the challenge.
No. Don't you know the amount of bacteria you carried in your disgusting mouths? You have completely ruined our teapot.
A better name than that is safe.
What?
Yeah!
You shouldn't celebrate for such disgusting behaviors.
Tennis ball.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Barfag.
Oh, hi, Gelatin. What's up?
The bathroom has a tap, remember?
Oh, yeah. Thanks, Gelatin.
Team Ice Cube is safe.
Yeah, we nailed it.
Oh, that wasn't too bad of an idea, I guess. Puffball, there's a tap of water over there.
Now we just gotta fill it up and grow the grass.
Leafy, are you okay? What's wrong?
I finally got a new friend, and now she hates me just like everybody else.
Why?
Fiery told her about me stealing Dream Island all those years ago.
And she just left you?
Yeah, I don't really care anymore. I should have never gotten brought back into this game.
Don't say that. You know, I could be your friend, Leafy.
Really?
Yeah. I'm kind of in a similar situation to you right now. My best friend Ice Cube hates me and my whole team hates me too.
What did you do?
I was being overprotective and very mean to Taco.
Well, thanks for talking to me, I guess. Made me feel a bit better.
Taco is safe. Oh?
I've searched everywhere. Why is it so hard to find water?
And 4 of our teammates are doing nothing.
We're gonna lose!
Everybody calm down. The more panicked we get, the less progress we are gonna make.
Free food is safe.
We're gonna lose! You guys are winning! I went down! Shut up! This is taking too long. Snowball, melt already!
Oh, I can't just control when I melt!
Lightning, how about you sap Snowball to melting faster?
Okay.
Wait, Lightning, stay up. I thought you wanted to slay people less.
Yeah, but it's just for the challenge, and Snowball seems pretty fine with it.
Snowball, are you fine with this?
And Bubble is dead.
Oh no, we didn't save her in time. Oh, what a tragedy.
What's even the point of not doing the challenge if we aren't even saving anyone?
Remote, you are a slow learner.
I actually agree with Remote here.
Our duty is to prevent death. When you guys joined this team, you pledged to prevent death with us.
I don't remember a plan.
I didn't join for that. I thought we were here for killing.
Are you ready, Snowball?
Just do it!
Finally!
Audience is safe. Now it's down to Beep, Death Pact, and the losers. Only one spot left.
Oh, come on! We weren't helping with one challenge!
Aw, dang it.
Also, thank you for telling me more about Season 1. I was really curious about it.
Anytime, Mixter.
Where were you guys? We couldn't find any source of water!
Well, isn't that good to hear? Because I died from water, remember?
I give up. I've searched enough.
No! Don't give up, guys.
Without loser in the game, I just don't think I can do anything right.
Wah.
I can't understand you, Woody.
What he's trying to say is that Rocky destroyed your collection.
Rocky, why? All my hard work collecting things over the years reduced to nothing.
Beep is the last team safe, which means Death Pact and the losers are up for elimination.
Hey, don't look at me like that. We won, didn't we?
Viewers, vote in the comments using a letter in square brackets under who deserves to be eliminated. Whoever gets the most votes will leave the show.
Hey, me and some of the others want to join the competition.
Fine. But only one of you will join. Vote in the comments using the number in square brackets under who deserves to join the show. Whoever gets the most votes will join the show.
Leafy,
I know you hate me.
What give you that idea?